If you're a fan of a quick, spicy fakeaway, this side dish proves chips and Chinese really do belong together. Cut 1 kilo of floury potatoes into chips and parboil for 10 minutes until just tender. Drain well and give them a good shake to rough up the edges. This will make them nice and crispy. Spray with low-calorie cooking spray and bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees C, fan 180 or gas 6. While they're cooking, fry green pepper, onion and red chili for a few minutes. Mix together 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, half a teaspoon of white or black pepper and 1 teaspoon of crunchy salt flakes. When the chips are ready, sprinkle over the spice mix and add the veg. Give everything one final toss and serve.